Wait, stop. The clash detection clearly shows the conflict right here. We cannot proceed until this is fixed.
Most people in BIM don't actually understand their role. You open your model, 20 clashes, 10 comments, and 1 deadline. And still, you don't know what exactly your role is in BIM. Because BIM is not just a software, it's a complete system where multiple teams work together on one project. Architecture, structure, MEP, all connected in one coordinated model. And that's why roles are important. Because one person cannot manage everything. Each role has a responsibility, and together they make BIM work. Let's start with the BIM Modeller, the backbone of every BIM project. In many organizations, BIM modelers are also called BIM engineers. You're not just modeling, you're building a digital version of the real project. Every wall, every beam, every duct must be placed accurately. You need to understand drawings, levels, grids, and how elements connect with each other. Because modeling is not just about creating objects, it's about placing them correctly in a coordinated environment. You also need to think about how things are built on site, because a small mistake in the model can become a big problem during construction. A good BIM modeler doesn't just follow drawings. They understand what they are modeling. They coordinate with other disciplines, update models based on comments, and ensure everything is clean, accurate, and structured. Because in BIM, accuracy is more important than speed. Then comes the BIM Coordinator, the one who finds problems before site does. They don't just combine models. They create a federated model where all disciplines come together. Architecture, structure, MEP, everything in one place. Their main job is coordination. They run clash detection, identify conflicts, and make sure issues are resolved before construction begins. But it's not just about finding clashes. They track issues, assign them to the right teams, and follow up until they are closed. They also ensure that models follow standards and are updated regularly. A good BIM coordinator doesn't just find problems. They make sure problems don't reach the site. Then comes the BIM lead or manager, the one who defines how everything works. They don't just work on models. They define how BIM will work in the entire project. They create the BIM execution plan, set standards, define workflows, and assign responsibilities. They make sure every team is aligned and everyone is working in the same direction. They also review overall progress, solve major coordination challenges, and guide the team when things go wrong. A BIM lead is not just a technical expert. They are a decision maker, a problem solver, and a mentor for the team. Because when the system is strong, the team performs better automatically. And now, BIM is evolving. With automation, tasks become faster and smarter. But BIM doesn't stop here. There are other important roles too. BIM technicians focus on detailed modeling and drawings, and BIM specialists ensure quality, standards, and advanced workflows. Every BIM lead or manager started as a BIM modeler. Growth depends on understanding, not experience. So next time you open your model, don't just work, understand. Because in BIM, those who understand are the ones who grow. If you found this helpful, support the channel by subscribing and share this with your team.